There's a small group of people in your life, maybe two, maybe five, who hold something no one else holds. They have seen you come apart. They've been in the room when you got the news that broke you open. They held the version of you that would never show the world. The frightened one, the lost one, the one who didn't know if she was going to be okay. And they stayed. They've also been there for every version of your becoming. The promotions you were afraid to celebrate too loudly, the dream you whispered before you dared to say it out loud, the ordinary Tuesday you needed to call someone who already knew the whole story. These are not just your friends. They are the keepers of who you actually are. Every version, every chapter, the ones you've outgrown and the ones you're still growing into. Life will take you different places. It already has. Different cities, different seasons, different versions of yourselves that the world sees. And none of that touches what's between you. Because some bonds are not held together by proximity or routine or convenience. They are held together by something older than that. By the fact that they know your mother's name and your worst fear and your most embarrassing story and your biggest dream. And they love you with all of it, not in spite of it. You will always have them, no matter where the road goes, no matter how long the silence between calls, no matter how much changes. They are yours, and you are theirs. That is not a small thing. That is one of the greatest gifts a life can hold.